Alright, here is my 2009 Suzuki Gladius, black and silver, best color. And it has a carbon fiber Two Brothers exhaust. Alright, a couple quick things. Top speed of this bike, I see a lot of people asking that, is around 128. I had this one going 128 and just barely squeezed 129, and that is pegged. 0 to 60 pretty quick though. A couple things I don't like: catalytic converter doesn't let your pipe get the real sound that you would get like with the other SVs that don't have the catalytic converter, the earlier models. But for 09 there is a catalytic converter, but they do produce 10% more power on these bikes, which you can notice if you've ever rode the SV and you ride this one. It's slightly noticeable. And I don't like how the pegs scrape on this bike when you go into a turn too hard. Like if you're really riding, you're riding hard and you get into a turn, pegs scrape a little bit, and I had that problem with the SV 652. And of course the pegs are not adjustable, so kind of sucks. But that's two things with this bike that I don't like. Everything else, like before it gets that low, the handling's great. Real fun, real torquey. Wheelie's great in first gear. I think the brakes are good on it, tires are good on it. Overall, real comfortable, just a fun riding bike. I'll do a little quick start and let y'all hear the pipe and see what you think.